You got it.
We did it. You missed. And then let's leave this up here. It's kind of cool. It's just like, I hate you. Go back down.
Oh, Dominic, that's not nice to say. Wow.
Uh-oh. Got it. You got it. Let's take a break, guys. Yeah, let's take a break, guys. Man, I am pooped. Probably gonna be pooped again. You know what that did like? You know what that did like? You know what that did?
Well, you guys are so easily entertained. Hey, it's too bad Stormy's not down here. He'd be tripping out on that.
Stormy.
Yeah, if he was in here, he'd probably go crazy on that thing. Alrighty, last time then I'm stopping the video. Sarah, don't pick your nose on camera. Now don't be careful doing it like that. You might break the fan.
Oh, dang it!
What are you doing, Melissa?
I'm going to get it and then I'm going to sit on it.
You're going to get it and sit on it?
Yeah.
I hope not. You'll break the fan.
Oh, dang it! I missed.
What's your plan, Sarah? Whoa. Whoa.
Sarah. No. I'm trying to get it up there.
Well, do it like you've been doing it. That was working fine.
I was down on this. It's not high enough. Then we're going to enjoy it. We're going to sit down and relax.
Sarah, baby.
Where'd it go? It's up there. Ah! It's still high. It's too high. You cut it.
Sarah, what are you doing? Poor girl. You just want to stand on something, don't you? And you can't figure it out.
Oh! I know! Oh, no!
Yeah, I don't think you're getting it down now.
Hold on.
Oh, this is going to end badly, Dominic. Oh, never mind. I thought you were going to jump off the chair.
Look at Sarah. This is going to end badly. You cut it.
I know, she's silly. Are you hiding? Kind of looks like a dog bed from here.
Reach up. I'm trying. Reach. What's the
Alright, this is the end.
We're still gonna do it.
Say
But-
goodbye.
Goodbye, video camera. Goodbye, video camera. This is gonna